Hi, I'm Kevin. We're up here at Melbourne to the Busfest. We thought we'd bring our Ecowagon Expo up for the weekend, and I thought I'd like to show you around and show you the quality of the work that Ecowagon do and the reason why we chose them to do our conversion. Cool. As you can see, we've gone for an orange and white interior. The amount of colours that we could have chosen through Ecowagon was absolutely amazing, and they helped us all the way through with choosing what we wanted and how we wanted it, and there was never a problem with any part of it at all. If I go inside, I can show you some of the bits and pieces. All the drawers are all nicely finished with the edging that we wanted. They all open nice and smooth, and they've got nice soft closers on them, so when they do close. Same with all the cupboards up at the top. There's plenty of storage space. Again, everything is finished to a really high quality. You've got your Voltronic system here, which does all your solar panel, charging of the batteries. Your gas, we've got onboard gas system, so there's a bottle underneath, so we don't have to carry a spare gas bottle with us. We've also got a heater in here, which is run off the diesel, so we can be warm in the winter. You've got your mains powered sockets, USB sockets. I believe there's about 10 in the van, so again, you're never going to be without any power to charge all your bits and pieces. All the windows have got nice colour-coded blinds. Again, you can choose whatever you want, and if you can pull them down the other way, and you have your fly screen for when it's hot and you want to keep the window open. In here you've got your gas hob, and then you've got your sink, so they're nicely tucked away in there, and they work really well. Like I say, the gas is on board, so there's no need for a second gas tank. Down here you've got a decent sized fridge, which again is a good quality fridge. Nice light, nice bit of space inside of it. We find that we can pack everything we need for a good weekend away, if not longer. We've got a quality wardrobe over here, which absolutely just slides so easily. We obviously can see we pack a lot of our stuff in there, and again there's so much space in there. Now, one of the best things that we chose on the van, and when we went to look for one we weren't sure about it, was the bed, the Cali bed. If I'm going to say to anybody, have a bed, have this one. It comes on the rails, so you can move it anywhere up and down the van you want, which is absolutely fantastic. So if you're out for a day and you're not actually camping, the people in the back can be right behind you. They don't feel like they're sat in the back of a van somewhere out of the way. Yeah, I mean there's lighting, there's ample lighting, there's lights at the bottom, lights in here, and they're all controlled by remote. So wherever you are in the van, you haven't got to go and find a switch somewhere, you just have your remote, switch your lights on and off. Again, up in the top there's a bed, and again they've got lights up here, so when you're up there, if you want to do a bit of reading, you can do it. I can't really recommend them highly enough. Like I said, their attention to detail, the quality is second to none. Yeah, if you want a conversion, go to Ecowagon and see Kenny.